Well, the fight that entertains me the most is the IBF World Super Featherweight title between Masanori Rikishi and Eduardo Nunez. I understand that Masanori was super dominant. Recently he did super well. This southpaw fella having a big left, 5'9". Out of Nagoya he destroyed Arnel Bakunahi and Mikhail Magnesi, Ricardo Nunez, but man, Eduardo El Sugar Nunez is on a whole different level. 5'6", 68 inches of reach out of Sinaloa. The guy destroyed Mariaga, Rakimov, Escandon, Seika. One loss to Hiran Gallardo. I just think Nunez is gonna be too much for Rikishi. Rikishi could counter him or clock him with a big left, but Nunez is super hard to finish. I'm gonna go with over 8.5, but if I must pick a side, I give advantage to Nunez here. Nunez is just on a whole different level.